So first thing, take a GCF out. So I know x is going to be 1, and then they're all divisible by 2. Nothing bigger, so 2x. So you're going to have, this would make 6x squared. This makes negative 7x. And this makes negative 3, and the x's will cancel. Like that. So from there, you're going to have to do 6 times negative 3 would be negative 18. So they're going to multiply to get negative 18 and add to get negative 7. So 9 and 2. And then you need the negative to be negative 9. So they multiply to get negative 18, and then negative 9 plus 2 would be negative 7. So you'd have 2x. And then remember that since you multiplied times 6, you now have to divide by 6. So this would be negative 3 over 2 when you simplify it. And this would be 1 over 3 when you simplify. So it's kind of like x minus 3 halves and x plus 1/3, like that. And then you don't want fractions, so this is going to pop up here, it's going to pop up there. So you'd have 2x, and then 2x minus 3, and 3x plus 1, like that. And that would be your answer. Hey, so this is number 2 from yesterday's homework. So first I'm going to rearrange it so that it's in the right order. And then I'm going to try to take out anything that's in common, including the negative that's in front, because I don't want that. So I know they're all divisible by 3, so I'm going to take out negative 3 from each of them. And then this one has an x, and they all have x's, so take out 3x, like that. So negative 3x is coming to the outside, GCF. That's going to leave me with x to the 4th here, negative 2x squared here, and negative 8 here. So now I can see, okay, it's a trinomial. So I'm going to factor it. I need two numbers that multiply to get negative 8 and add to get negative 2. Do 4 and 2, negative 4. So I would have x squared minus 4 and x squared plus 2. And then I still have the negative 3x out here. So this one can't break down anymore. That one can't break down anymore, but this is the difference of squares because x squared is a square and 4 is as well. So I'd have x plus 2, x minus 2, still bring down x squared plus 2, and the negative 3x. So that would be how I factored. This is the same as this, just in another format. Okay, this is number 5. So same thing, I want to rearrange this one so that it's like in decreasing order. The 3 first, then the x squared, then this guy, then this guy. And then since it has 4 terms, I'm gonna split it and do factoring by grouping. So x squared is all that can come out of here. I'm gonna take out that negative as well. Just helps to take out the negatives. So I'd have 2x minus 3 here. And then in this one, I can take out a 4, and that leaves me with 2x minus 3. The reason I took out that negative is so that this would be negative to match this one. So I have 2x minus 3 and negative x squared plus 4. Some mathematicians would leave it here. Excuse me. And then some mathematicians would say, oh, I noticed that this is 4 minus x squared, which is the difference of squares. So they would say, okay, I could split this into 2 plus x and 2 minus x, like that. And then bring this guy down. So 2x minus 3, like that. So I would take it at this level if you were feeling good there, but your answer key does have it here since that is technically the most broken down version. That's number 5 from assignment 11.